Welcome to DLG. So I'm Charlie.
My name is Anne. Hi.
So today we will make the new presentation of the new product. Yes.
Yes.
So what's the new product you will make the presentation?
Now let's see our new product today. This is the cabinet of eBox 48100R. We are going to install this cabinet today, and it will hold two pieces this kind of battery module, eBox 48100R.
Yeah. So where it will be used or where it will be installed?
It will be installed right here on the wall, and for the customers, some of them have very limited space in their homes, so this kind of installation will be very nice for them.
Okay, so if you install it on the wall, so it might be the security is very important.
Yes.
Do you have the special requirement for the wall?
Yeah, let's see that these two modules will weigh 100 kilograms. So besides, we also need to consider the weight of the components here. So for the wall, it must be strong enough to hold 140 kilograms. And we suggest that the material of the wall should be reinforced concrete.
So if the content of the wall cannot meet this requirement, so they can also use it for on the ground?
Yes. When the customer receive this installation packages, they can decide whether to install it on the wall or just place it on the ground, on the floor.
Okay, great. Thank you for your presentation. So we will make, and if you have more questions, you can contact with us by YouTube or Instagram or LinkedIn or Facebook.
Yes, see you next time.
See you next time. Bye.
Bye-bye.